Morning guys, Danielle from Back to Life Bodyworks here. I've been getting a lot of questions about the difference between a melt roller and your typical foam roller. So I want to start with texture. Number one, the melt roller is soft and malleable. So that means that it's not going to go in too deep too fast and cause your body to deform or change shape or adjust more than it's ready for. So it meets your body where it is. We get in, we do a little bit of techniques, and then we get out. So over time, you're actually accomplishing more. Whereas the hard rollers are completely stiff and rigid, which means that it can sink into your body. It can force your body to deform more than you're actually ready for. So number one, it hurts. And when things hurt your body, your connective tissue has a protective mechanism built into it. So it'll actually stiffen up. It'll resist the deformation. And actually what you're doing is you're increasing the inflammation, you're stalling out the healing process. And recent research is finding that those things actually can increase your risk of injury over time. So it might feel like you're really accomplishing something, you're having to grit through the pain, but what you're actually doing is counterintuitive. Biologically, that's not what we want to do. We want to we want to be treated kindly. We don't want to be forced to do anything that we don't want to do. Our bodies are the same. So why wouldn't we want to treat ourselves kindly and accomplish something over time? So again, alleviating compression, reducing inflammation, improving the healing properties of your body, stimulating the immune system, all those good things with the soft roller versus the hard roller. Number two, you'll see that the diameter is different. This is a 5-inch roller, whereas this is a 6-inch roller, which for somebody who's on the taller side, it's not that big of a deal, just simply in terms of diameter, but I'm 5'4". This roller is greater for me, and especially when we're getting into the neck, I'm not having to stress and strain. So this roller tends to be more of a one-size-fits-all, whereas this roller is a little bit more built for the taller and larger people. And another thing that you typically don't really even think about is these rollers have a lot of plastics and chemicals in them, which doesn't sound like a big deal, but our bodies absorb those as well. So this roller is built with all natural rubber, so your body's not going to absorb those toxins, and those things make a difference. We're actually absorbing things that cause inflammation and cause our bodies to have to work harder to excrete those toxins. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, as always, just shoot me an email, give me a call. I'm more than happy to help. So thanks guys for stopping by. We'll see you next time.